First of all, I'd like to thank the Welsh Government for announcing the monies with regards to the infrastructure and with regards to the investment within Wrexham and North Wales. It's so important that our infrastructure is improved, from the railways to the traffic, the A55, the A483. I think in Wrexham we have some pinch points, some issues with regards to modernisation on the junctions there. But it's so important for Wrexham and all North Wales that we keep on bringing investments within the area. We've been very successful in the past. Brand names such as JCB, Kellogg's and Airbus on our doorstep. And if these infrastructure improvements are done, more companies will come into the area. Multi-million pound companies or small companies, regardless of who they are, don't see borders, they just see places to invest. And the other thing I think we need to understand, it's so important, the corridor of the M56 and the M53 is improved as well, and on the Wrexham roundabout, Chester roundabout, that's an issue, but we're looking to improve that in the future. So I welcome the investment and the funds made for North Wales, because it's so important that we improve the transport links between South Wales, Mid Wales, and also our neighbours along the A483, M53, M56. Because there's a natural coming together, and the money which comes through them rail links and highways is enormous for Wrexham and North Wales.